The communication we received from the Department of Foreign Affairs in March of 2015 set the Mold Technology Support Center project into motion. The Republic of Korea, through the Korean Institute for Advancement of Technology, developed an official development assistance initiative that is tailored for the Philippine dye and mold industry. The Korean ODA officially started in May of 2019. The DOST, through PCIEERD, provided financial support in 2020 to implement the roles of MTSC as the ODA's recipient agency. Through the MTSC project, we envisioned to help the dye and mold industry become a driver of positive change for the manufacturing sector. Why the dye and mold industry? The local dye and mold industry lags behind our ASEAN counterparts. Molding technology is indispensable in the production of industrial machinery, semiconductors, telecommunications, transportation machinery, and electrical and electronics products. Mold technology plays a crucial role in the manufacturing capabilities of the country, and so we cannot afford to lag behind. Improving the dye and mold technological know-how of the Philippines is a national priority, and in fact is one of the components of the Philippine-Korea agreements that resulted from the President Duterte's official visit to Seoul, Korea in June of 2018. The MTSC is working to achieve the following objectives. First, to develop the human resources needed by local dye and mold companies. Second, to encourage the advancement of the Philippine manufacturing sector's competitiveness. And third, to contribute to the industrial cooperation between the Philippines and the Republic of Korea. The MTSC project is supported by no less than our DOST Secretary Fortunato T. de la Peña. We were able to identify a property at the Cavite Economic Zone in General Trias, Cavite as the most strategic location of the MTSC facility. We held the groundbreaking last October 2019. The MRDC and our partner in the industry, the PDMA Incorporated, sent some personnel to trainings, both foreign and local, to be groomed as local experts who will eventually handle trainings for MTSC clients. By the end of 2021, we will have finished the construction of the MTSC building in Cavite Economic Zone. We will install various mold-making equipment and training facility in the MTSC. All of these were shipped by our Korean partners to the Philippines to ensure that MTSC trainees will receive nothing but the best quality training. While we plan to offer training programs at the MRDC while the MTSC facility is still being constructed, the pandemic came and face-to-face activities are not possible at the moment. But just the same, the MTSC went on and offered trainings through webinars, which we started to conduct by mid-2020. There are still more equipment coming in from the Republic of Korea. Our Korean project partners and the Philippine MTSC team composed of the MRDC, the Philippine Economic Zone Authority, the DTI Board of Investments, and the PDMA Incorporated are in constant communication to coordinate project activities. Our partnership will soon be translated into an MTSC facility at the Cavite Economic Zone, where we will be of more relevant service to the dye and mold industry.